Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2026 Audi Q8? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your SUV's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Dash panel fuse box. The dash panel fuse box houses fuses that protect various electrical components like lights, wipers, and infotainment systems. It allows easy access for checking or replacing blown fuses to maintain proper vehicle function. Footwell fuse box, LHD plus RHD. The footwell fuse box protects vital electrical functions such as interior lighting, power windows, and control modules. It is designed for quick access, allowing easy identification and replacement of blown fuses to ensure the uninterrupted operation of vehicle systems. Luggage compartment fuse box. The luggage compartment fuse box manages fuses for rear electronics, lighting, and auxiliary systems. It's located in the trunk area behind a cover, allowing easy access for maintenance and troubleshooting. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.